Hello boys, today we are going to learn dialogue writing. Do you know what the meaning of dialogue is? I think you have read dialogues in your book, in your plays. In class 5 you had a play My Elder Brother. So there you read dialogues and also practiced speaking them. So dialogue is a two-way conversation where two people are talking to each other. Either they are asking something or they are telling, or one is asking, other one is telling. So it's an art. Your dialogue should be well connected grammatically and it should make sense. And by looking at next dialogue you can make out what was there in the previous one. Now I have brought some examples for you of these are the examples of dialogue completion. Now let's look at it. Read the conversation and complete the gaps. Now this is the conversation between a man and a girl, and it is a telephonic conversation. So man says hello and then dash. Girl, Anuj is not at home right now, then dash. Man, this is Anil, his friend, and dash. Girl, dash, his sister. Hello Asha, dash. Now if you look at it logically you will find some answers, isn't it? Now look at this. Man says hello and the girl says Anuj is not at home right now. So what could be the possible answers here, or what you can fill here? Hello, may I speak to Anuj? Or is Anuj at home? Right? Now let's see what will come here. Can I speak to Anuj? Yes. See, logically this is the answer, because the next one is Anuj is not at home right now. So may I speak to Anuj, or can I speak to Anuj? So Anuj is not at home right now, and the next part will be what? Now there is again blank. This is Anil, his friend. So what could be the possible statement here? That probably she is asking, may I know who is talking and who is on the line? Isn't it? In a telephonic conversation, when we say Anuj is not at home now, may I know who is talking, or who is calling, or who is at the on the line? So who is speaking? Now anything which is possible will come here. Who is speaking? This is Anil, his friend. Now again blank. This is Anil, his friend, and blank. And then girl says dash, his sister. So girl is telling about herself. So what will be the possible question here? This is Anil, his friend. May I know who is on the line? Isn't it? So may I know who is on the line means he has to know who is speaking this side. Now the girl says dash, his sister, and then he says hello Asha. So it's very clear that the girl's name is Asha. So you might find this answer like I'm Asha, his sister, or something else. This is Asha. Yeah, this is Asha, his sister. The answer, may I know who is on the line? This is Asha, his sister. Hello Asha. Now dash. Anuj has gone to his taekwondo class. Hello Asha. Now the question could be, where has Anuj gone? Let's see. Where has Anuj gone? Yes, where has Anuj gone? Now Anuj has gone to his taekwondo class. Okay. Now then there is dash. Sure, tell me. So what could it be? That would you please give him my message, or could you please pass on my message? Let's see. Can you please give him a message? Right? So sure, tell me. Man, we have a special class tomorrow morning, so ask him dash and please don't forget. So this could be anything. Ask him to join the class at 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning, or so ask him to reach the school before 9 or anything, please don't forget. So there is a message here. So what could be this message? Ask him to reach school half an hour earlier. Okay, so this could be the school time, so he should reach the school half an hour earlier. Please don't forget. The girl says what? Don't forget. Sure, I won't. Now let's say I won't. I won't. Anything else? Means I won't forget. Anything else? Man. Okay then. Bye. No, thank you. Anything else? No, thank you. Bye. Bye. Fine. Now this dialogue is logically connected. You can see it very well. I'm sure you enjoyed writing it. Completing it. This is how you complete any dialogue. You can also write your own dialogue. Completely all yours. Now, one more example I have brought for you. Just enjoy. Same, read the conversation and complete the gaps. Man, hello and dash. Girl, it's Julie. Man, and what is? Girl, it's Kapoor. How do you? Then Kapoor. Thank you. Then I come from. Do you study? I like it. Do you study? I study biology, chemistry and math. Now let's see what will be the possible answers. Man, hello. Now question could be who is on the line, or what is your name? It could be directly, hello, what's your name? It's Julie. Let's see. Yeah, what's your name? It's Julie. It is face to face. It is not telephonic. Hello, what's your name? It's Julie. And then dash. It's Kapoor. By looking at this answer Kapoor, you can make out what the question is. This is how you complete the dialogues. And what is your surname? Right? It's Kapoor, because Kapoor is surname. And how do you? And the next answer is Kapoor. That is the spelling. So the question will be, how do you spell it, or spell your surname? Right? So Kapoor. Now go to next one. Man, thank you. And then dash. Julie. So now you have to read the next answer. Then only you will be able to complete this conversation. Thank you. And then I come from. So question could be thank you for telling the spelling of surname, and then where do you come from, Julie? Right? Yes. Where do you come from, Julie? I come from, could be any place. So I come from Kolkata. Fine. Do you study what? Do you study English? Any subject, it could be. Do you study English at school? Now girl, I like it. So her answer has to be obvious. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like it. And man, what? Now, do you study? So it could be other subjects. So what other subjects do you study? Right? Obvious. What other subject do you study? Why? Because in answer you find I study biology, chemistry and maths. So it could be about, the question could be about subjects. So what other subjects do you study? I study biology, chemistry and maths. And that is the end of your dialogue completion. It was just for fun. You just read it, enjoy, and try such dialogues. Okay, I'm not giving you any assignment with this. I'll give you assignment separately so that you can complete it and submit to me. I'll give that assignment tomorrow. By then, enjoy.